Yo, what is up, JJ gang? We are back with another banger. Today, as you see, we got the quad back in the last video. If you watched that, just if you haven't seen it, go to my channel, our channel, and look at the last video we posted. But this is the quad that the creepy old guy stole in our last video here. So today, this is gonna be a pretty chill video here. We're just gonna be riding around here. It's kind of like a vineyard area. I don't really know. I haven't really been here before, but I mean, hopefully we don't see that creepy old guy again, because this is kind of where he lives in the area, kind of his neighborhood or whatever. So anyway, here we go. Let's get into it. Let's start riding around. Yo guys, this is sick. Drifting, bro. See that? Yo, this is sick. Alright, we're gonna go. Alright. Yo, it looks like there's like a plaza. Kinda wanna just like chill here for a sec. Oh shoot. Yo, he's mad. Bro, look at that guy over there. Yo guys. Bro, he's mad. Yo, does he like walk up? Oh shoot. Bro, I have to go, Joey gang. We gotta go. Bro, I think he's chasing me. Oh shoot. Guys, we might be good. Oh no. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. We're definitely good, guys. Bro, he's coming. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so scary. Hold on, maybe he won't find me if I just park right here. Yo, maybe he won't find me, bro. He is definitely not going to see me. There is no way he's going to see me. Ronnie. Yo, oh shoot, that's him way back there. Yo, I think he's coming. Bro, I don't even know like what he's doing. Bro, it's scary. Oh shit, he's kind of gaining on me. Oh shit. Guys, we're cooked. We gotta like go. Yo guys, I actually like might be almost out of gas. This is crazy. Bro, where is this guy? Oh shoot, he's coming. Bro, he's coming. We gotta go, guys. Oh shoot. Bro, my quad's like out of gas. Bro, my quad's like almost out of gas. You're actually cooked. We gotta get back to my house, guys. Bro, this quad's like out of gas. Oh shoot, bro. He's like right there. Oh my god. He actually gotta go. Yo, bro. This is insane. Yo, he's right there, guys. Bro, we gotta go. Shoot. Oh shoot. Hold on, we gotta lose this guy.